Hello, this is Rhonda. Welcome back to our channel. Thank you very much for watching, and if you're new, please consider subscribing, and please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. Sorry. And I have my Glossy box. If you don't know about Glossy box, I think this is $21. Yeah, $21 a month, and you get a mixture of full size. Sometimes they send samples or deluxe samples. It's hit or miss with this box. It isn't my favorite. I have actually had this box in the past and got frustrated and canceled because it just wasn't doing it for me, and I can't help but compare it to BoxyCharm that sends 5 on their base box, sends 5 full-size high-end items. I love BoxyCharm. It is probably my favorite, has been for years. Just a minute. And I just can't help but compare for the same price that are very similar to the same price. Boxy used to be what, 21 or 22. They recently in the last year went up to 25, but oh, it has a little thing. But here's the box. Oh, God, careful, baby. Here's the box. Some months I feel like the box is the best part of the subscription because they always send a really they always send okay, I'm back. I had to pause it for a minute, but this is the beautiful box. Oh yeah, this was, I forget what anniversary it was, but this was supposed to be their birthday month, is why they made the really cute bow. And I mean, it's a good box this month from what I remember. I just can't not compare it to what other boxes look like. I mean, the other boxes give for around the same price. So it has the little paper here. Let's see, does this have prices in it? Okay, I think that's the prices there. It always comes in a really, it's presented, the presentation is always perfect, and these are the kind of boxes that are just, I mean, see how thick they are? These are the kind of boxes that you almost can't throw away. You feel guilty for throwing them away. And you could easily have tons and tons of these boxes sitting on your shelves because they're just, I mean, they're too pretty to throw away. I pick and choose which ones to store things in and which ones to keep, and if I might put something like if it's a birthday or something, put it in one of these pretty little boxes rather than throw the boxes away, because it almost seems a shame to throw away such a nice box. So it comes in the little squigglies, keeping everything safe. That's what that looks like. And I will pull out, the first thing I see is the Natural Lip Balm in Wildberry. Look at that, how cute that is. I did hear this month was supposed to be a really good month because it is their birthday. Look at that. That's so adorable. Let's see, here we go. Look how cute. Like one of the EOs, or however you say that. Look how adorable. These are one of the little packages that even when that is used up, oh, that smells really good. That really smells good. Wish I could let you smell it. That just smells so good. I love the little heart. This is one of those things that even when it's gone, I want to keep the little heart on my shelf because that is just so adorable. And let's see, heart-shaped lip balm, coconut lime. Mine's not coconut lime. Mine says wild berry. So let's see. I guess there were different. Yeah, mine says wild berry. I don't see anything on it that says coconut and lime. It says made in Canada. This retails for $7. This one is full size. This natural lip balm has the highest quality coconut and sweet almond oils to moisten, nourish, and protect your lips, while vitamin E provides essential antioxidants. Plus, it's an adorable addition to your handbag. So, there was that. Just so cute. Okay, and then we got Glow Drops Highlighting Primer for Face. Vegan friendly and cruelty free. Y'all have heard me say it before. I try to use everything that is cruelty free. I read something just yesterday or day before, and I can't remember, but it was talking about the thousands of dogs and other animals that die every year while being tested on, and the horrible things they go through. I forget how many thousands it was. It was a horrible thing. Testing, that's a thing of the past. I don't see why that is even a thing anymore. This is in Rose Pearl. Retails for $20. Let's see. Bring out your inner glow with a primer from gender-free beauty brand Jacques Blanc. Black, I don't know how you pronounce that, how it's supposed to be pronounced. Vegan friendly, your skin will be hydrated and radiant as you prep your makeup routine or dot on top of your base as a highlighter. This is a tip. Blend a bit of this with your BB cream or foundation for the ultimate glass skin goals. And don't forget some SPF. Okay, so here's another one for me to test and show you all and mix it with the do different things. I'll do it one day soon. I had one in another box. I forget which one it was now. Let's see, I think it was the single swag thing. Let's see. Oh, look at that. That definitely has some sparkle. Look at that. You can see it sparkle as it goes down my finger. Yeah, definitely. That one definitely has some sparkle. Yeah, I can definitely see the luminosity in that. Yeah, I like that. That's that one. I'm not sure about the other one because I didn't really see anything, but I guess they could use it for different levels of luminosity. So there's that. I think I said the price. That is $20. And then we got Youth Renewing Face Serum, Snowberry. It's just a little sample. Let's see, the full size of this is 35 milliliters, and it is $72 for the full size. It says this multifunctional super serum is designed to plump the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Perfect for some post-summer care. Okay, and then we got Eye Boost Cream. Where is that? Eye Boost Cream. It says if you're a subscriber, you can get this for $18. Your first chance to try, let's see, our brand new skincare range with a combination of elderflower, Eye Bright and seaweed extract. This cream helps to reduce eye bags and add some brightness. So we got that. What I say, this is, if you're a member of Glossy Box, you can get it for $18. If you're not, it's $23. It's just so hot in this house. My hair just feels, it's not sticky, but it just feels sticky. Hopefully it will start cooling off soon. So that is a full size. Pretty big size for a eye cream. It will last a good long time. Of course, it just looks like it's white like any other cream, or like most creams. I don't smell anything. So there is that. And then we got the Freeman Deep Clean Dry Shampoo, Pink Clay and Peppermint, Nourishing and Weightless for oily hair. We got that, pretty good size. I can feel it. It feels completely full. I know sometimes we get things that are not very full. Let's see, that says it retails for $2.99. That is a travel size. It says perfect for the woman on the go. This dry shampoo absorbs all the excess oil and leaves hair fresh, invigorated, and volumized. The added peppermint leaves a cool and refreshing sensation, so you feel energized. Okay, so there is that. And then got this. I love these. Y'all have probably seen me talk about these. I got one in, which box was it? Looked Fantastic, I think 3 months ago, and I gave it to my mom because she didn't have one, and I had bought one long before I got it in a box, and I really just love these things. These things are so nice when it comes to, if you've got a kid, or especially a little girl with long hair. Kids, you know, absolutely hate having their hair combed when you get a knot in it. And I've got another one that I got in, I think it was the Summer Essentials from Glossy Box, that I will probably put up for Levi because he is one that hates having his hair pulled. So there's that. I mean, these are, I mean, look, because it has the different, let's see if I can show it. See, it has the different levels to the teeth, and they see it has the so much give. I mean, they just, without pulling your hair, it just goes right through your hair. And these are supposed to be really good for like when you're wet, got wet hair. I don't trust doing anything with my hair wet once I've washed it until it's dry, because even these I don't trust using it because I'm so picky with my hair. But love these. It's called Tangle Teaser, the original Tangle Teaser, and that retails for $12. It says a cult classic, loved by everyone, from busy moms to pro hairdressers. This brush is ideal for regular hair types, detangling wet or dry hair, with its two-tiered regular flexed teeth, which glide through the hair with no pulling. It leaves hair super smooth and tangle free. Okay, so this box again was $21, and we got this for $12. The brush, we got the eye cream, which is a full size, for $18 or $23, depending on if you're a subscriber or not. We got the dry shampoo, travel size, for, what did I say? I think $2 or $3. $2.99. And then we got the Glow Drops, which I think really will be good, $4.20. Then we got the really cute little heart thing. It says Wild Berry. Yeah, still don't see that on here. It must have just be different ones. But this one retails for $7. And then we got this Youth Face. My hair's itching my face now. Made in New Zealand Youth Renewing Face Serum. A full size of this is $72. Is that it? I think that's it. So that is everything we got in that box for $21. Oh, if you're interested in this, let me know. I will try to find the link, because if you're new, you do get like $4 or $5 off your first box. And if you subscribe now, I'm pretty sure this is the box you will get if you subscribe in this month. I'm pretty sure you get this month's box. So, oh, I didn't put this back. I'm gonna keep it. This comes with all kinds of information, different little things. Oh, in this box, when you get it, oops, this one you can go and do a review, like, you know, Ipsy or some of the other ones. And let me turn this, about fell off, or about moved. You know how Ipsy or them, I think Ipsy gives you like 15 points or something. Well, this one, every time you give a review, you get, I think it's 40 cents. And then you can get sometimes like a 40 cents more. So you can get like 80 cents for almost every item. And then when they have their specialty boxes, like their summer essential box that I got, or sometimes they do like Mother's Day boxes, they do Christmas box, special boxes, they do Easter boxes, and you can keep those points, or they're not points, they're actual cash that you get. And it's like 80 cents, 40 to 80 cents for every item that you review, and you can get that, choose to get that much money off of whatever specialty box. So I mean, you can actually get, they're having one next week, I forget what, it's a skincare, some kind of special skincare box, and I'm gonna try to do all my reviews and see how much money I can get off of it, and decide if I want it, depending on how much I can get off with the reviews. But I mean, I like doing stuff like that. That's a really good deal. I'm very frugal. I like to get really good deals. Like I said before, I grew up extremely poor. I'm not hard to please, and it has made me very, very frugal and looking for the best deals I can possibly find whenever I can find them, and I've learned how to do that very well. So thank you very much for watching. Please remember to hit the thumbs up button for me, and until next time, I love you guys. I will see you soon. Bye bye.